Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. Today we are showing you this house and lot for sale located in one of the most exclusive subdivisions here in Angeles City, Pampanga. Let's check it out. This property is priced at 50 million pesos. It has a lot area of 400 square meters, floor area of 334 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, high ceiling, staff room, living, dining and kitchen with swimming pool and 2-car garage. If you're interested, message us for viewing. So as we can see guys, the facade of the house, it's a mixture of neutral colors. Kasi ang theme ng bahay na to is parang Pinoy style, 'di ba? Traditional Pinoy style. But of course, modern ang atake niya. We have a very nice front lawn right here. 2 to 3 carport right here. Very nice. And ang ganda ng height ng ceiling natin, lighted with security cameras installed. Okay? Beautiful greenery on the side. We have access to the service area right here. Later on, pupunta tayo dyan. You have your faucet right there. And of course, meron tayong outlet here if you need. Very nice. And I must say, napakaganda ng pagkaka-landscape at choices ng mga plants sa bahay na to. Later on, you'll know. Now, this is the very big front door. Solid wood, guys. Okay? As we enter, di ba? As we enter, you will be amazed by the double height ceiling na meron tayo sa house na to. And of course, maraming wood kayong makikita all throughout. Starting with this door right here, another solid wood door, which is your powder room. Okay, powder room. Yan, meron tayong toilet. Meron tayong sink dito. This is for your visitors, no? Okay, very nice. So, going right here, to my left, ang ganda ng living area natin. Double height ceiling, well lighted, natural light, meron tayo dyan. Good choice of furnitures, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Traditional pero modern ang take. Di ba? Floor to ceiling windows dito sa gilid natin. And of course, the pool is right here. Later, pupunta tayo dyan. On this side right here, we have this solid wood sliding door na parang partition siya going to your dining area. The dining area has an 8-seater dining table. We have a console right here. Very nice artwork. Windows on either side. Of course, big window here sa side natin. Very nice. Tapos meron na siya nitong blinds na to. So, pwede mong i-soften yung light. Kasi maging very bright siya, pwede mong i-soften yung light. Very nice. Another partition right here. Of course, meron tayong air conditioning all throughout the house. Partition right here, going to your show kitchen. Ang ganda ng kitchen. Very nice countertop. We have bar stools right here if you want to use it for breakfast. Napakaganda. The sink is right here. Tapos more countertop dito sa gilid. Big window. Natural light once again. Of course, you have this washing machine. Ito, hindi pa ito na-install. Your range hood, and your refrigerator. Tapos guys, check it out. Yung storage dito sa area na to, may glass door siya so that you can see if you have your china, di ba, makikita nyo display dyan, yung mga cups nyo, nandyan siya. Okay. Tapos one special feature ng house na to is it has this countertop na merong access going out. I call this the drive-through. The drive-through window. So, para pwede mong iserve yung mga nasa pool area ng snacks nila or ng beverages nila. Very convenient to. Ang ganda ng use. Tapos dito, meron kang door na pwedeng itulak or pwedeng paganto. Ang ganda niya. Sinabi na yung tawag dito. Can you comment again? Makakalimutin ako eh. May tawag dito eh. Okay. Now, this door right here is your pantry. Imagine guys, so ang dami yung space for your groceries, your stocks, di ba? Para ka na may mini Landers and SNR dito. Di ba? Mga toilet paper and canned goods. Pwede dyan. Of course, you have storage underneath the counter. And this one, amazing because this is your staff room. Na-mention ko kanina sa first look namin na this is even nicer than my room. Ganda, di ba? Plus, my own toilet and bath. Of course, you have the sink, shower, and toilet. High ceiling din. Okay. Tapos may automatic door closer siya. Kaya parang heavy yung door. No, solid wood din. Okay, now, let's use this door to go out sa side para mapakita ko sa inyo yung other features ng house. Okay, going out to the side of the house. To my left, that is your carport. Di ba? Yung 2 carport natin. So, kunyari, may mga groceries po kayo. Di ba? Dito na sa side dadaan yan. You have this laundry area right here. You have sink and countertop. I told you kanina, maganda yung choices ng plants natin all throughout the house. Diba? Namumulaklak na yung ating kalachuchi. Oh. Now, dito, pump room, washer dryer will go right here. Nandiyan yung provision natin. Then this door right here is just locked at the moment, but this is the shower for your pool area. Okay. Going to the pool area, very expansive, very nice size pool. You have a bar right here. Diba? May faucet na rin dito. If you want to serve drinks to your guests or to your family, very nice. Pwede ka rin magkaroon ng bar stools dito. You have a sitting area right here. And guys, pansin nyo yung pool, hindi siya yung traditional blue na pool. Very nice to pag napunuan na ng water. Diba? May mga jets din siya on the side. Tas this window right here is the one I'm telling you about kanina. Ito yung tinatawag natin drive-through window. Okay? Ayan. Tapos, plants all over. Then, going out to the outside na. Okay. Ito, big sliding doors right here na meron na siyang screen. So, in the days that you want to keep your doors open, may screen tayo to keep the insects out. Diba? Para hindi sila makapasok ng house. Once again, our beautiful living area. Sobrang amazing nung double height ceiling niya. Nice. Okay, the door behind me is a bedroom. Dito sa ground floor. So if you want a room sa ground floor, meron tayo. Wooden design ang tiles natin. Very nice. Of course, you have a big bed. Side tables are included. You have the solid wood cabinets for your clothes and things and open shelvings right here. So may window din tayo here and sa taas. So for natural light, no? This is the toilet and bath. Okay. Step down. You have your toilet, your sink, and your spacious shower area. High ceiling din. Really, really nice. Okay. Can we do one more look? Kasi napakaganda eh. Oh. Dining. Ayan. We have this very nice artwork by the stairs. Now, the stairs is also amazing because it's made from solid wood also. Step up. The handrails are also solid wood. On your mid-landing, you have this very nice window that can be opened if you want, di ba? Natural light and ventilation. You have the space up on top. Ito, pwede mong lagyan to ng mga decoration din. Going up to your landing, guys, another amazing part of the house is this parang terrace inside that overlooks your living area. Really nice. Diba? Ganda, no? Okay, you have a seating area right here sa landing natin. Then, you have this storage area for your linens. Parang linen closet. Linen closet siya. Yan. So, marami talagang storage sa house na to. Let's check out the first bedroom sa second floor. Okay. So, upon entry, you will see how bright it is. Diba? I hope mag-translate sa camera. It's so bright. You have a big bed. Side tables are there. You have this solid wood cabinet with drawers. Nice. Then, this is your toilet and bath. You have your sink, your toilet, and your shower with this smooth finish na shampoo niche, tapos window for ventilation and natural light. Okay. This door right here, sobrang amazing because storage room, more storage. So sa bahay na to, hindi ka mauubusan ng storage. Walang magiging clutter, no. So may mga artwork pa tayo dito na for installation. So you have shelvings from floor to ceiling. Very nice. And just in front, meron tayo dito mini terrace that has a view of the pool. Ito, pwede mo itong lagyan ng mga plants right here, di ba? Tapos parang sitting area, relaxation area. Tapos may vacant lot tayo dito with mango trees. What can I say, guys? More storage, di ba? Ito, napag-usapan namin kanina ng cameraman natin na this can be your beverage area. Pwede kang magkaroon ng coffee machine or mini ref dito so that at night, pag medyo nauuhaw or kailangan ng snacks, pwede dito. You have drawers and storage sa taas natin. Or like a mini bar. Okay? This door is the third bedroom. So similar to the second bedroom, parang mirror lang siya. We have this very big bed, corner windows that lets in natural light. You have their solid wood cabinets and your toilet and bath that has your sink, toilet, and your partially enclosed shower with shampoo niche and window for ventilation. Ganda. By the way, guys, all of the rooms has their air conditioning. So, dala na lang tayo ng gamit natin. This door is the master bedroom. So, let's go in. Generous the space na ginamit dito sa master bedroom. We have corner windows, more windows all throughout, air conditioning. Just drawer and more drawers right here. Big bed, side tables are included. Ang lawak ko, big bed pero you have a lot of space to move around pa. So pwede ka pa maglagay ng additional furniture mo. Now, this is the walk-in closet. Okay? Made of wood also. Tons of space for your outfits and clothes. You have this toilet, sink, and your shower right here. And if you can notice, guys, even the second floor is high ceiling. Kaya talagang parang you can breathe in this house. Tapos naamoy mo pa yung yung wood. If you like that, perfect tong house na to for you. Diba? Just close this. Yung mga sliding doors natin, may screen na siya. And one more na ipapakita ko sa inyo is the front balcony. In this door right here, tapos nakita ko na may screen din talaga siya. So, walang napabaya ang pinto. May screen siya. Okay? Going out here, this is the front of the house. You have a sink right here. Pwede rin mag-barbecue dito. Seating area. You can put your plants dito sa ating... may space tayo for our plants dito. Relax with your family. Really, really nice. Now, let's do the recap. This property is priced at 50 million pesos. It has a lot area of 400 square meters, floor area of 334 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, high ceiling, staff room, living, dining, and kitchen with swimming pool and 2-car garage. If you're interested, message us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.